Did you know the biggest stock moves often happen before the market even opens? If you only trade during regular market hours, you could be missing huge opportunities. In this video, I'll explain pre-market and after-hours trading in simple terms and show you 3 free trading platforms that include both features. What is pre-market trading? It's trading that happens before the official US stock market opens. Why does it matter? Because companies often release earnings reports or important news before the opening bell. Imagine Nvidia reports amazing earnings at 7 a.m. Its stocks could already be up 10% before regular trading even begins. With pre-market access, you don't have to wait until 9:30. What is after-hours trading? After-hours trading starts right after the market closes. Many companies publish earnings after 4 p.m. If Apple announces better than expected results, the stock may jump immediately. Instead of waiting until tomorrow morning, traders with after-hour access can react the same day. Professional traders use extended hours trading to react faster than the crowd. It helps them find stocks in play, prepare for the next session, and sometimes enter trades before everyone else. But trading outside regular market hours also means lower liquidity and bigger price spreads. That's why many experienced traders use limit orders instead of market orders. If you're looking for free access to extended hours trading, these are 3 of the best choices. Webull is perfect for beginners with an easy-to-use interface. Mumu offers advanced charts and powerful stock scanners, and Interactive Brokers is one of the most popular platforms among professional traders worldwide. The good news, all 3 include pre-market and after-hours trading without charging an extra fee just for access. If you are serious about trading US stocks, extended hours trading is a feature you definitely want. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.